A mixed fraction is a mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number, combination of a whole number, combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So combination of whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. All these are whole numbers. What are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these are whole numbers. Whole number and a proper fraction. Say, now you say any whole number. Good. 4. 4 is a whole number. Here I am telling combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Whole number I have taken. What is the proper fraction? Say any one proper fraction. Good. 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. 3 parts are there. In the 3 parts, I can take 2 parts. It is possible. So, this fraction is called mixed fraction. This is called mixed fraction. So, mixed fraction is combination of a whole number. This is whole number. This is whole number. 4 is a whole number and 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. This 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. So combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is mixed fraction. Children, when you are writing a mixed fraction, you have to remember one point. This whatever the whole number you are writing, it should be exactly opposite of this bar. Means for example 4 2 by 3. This is wrong. You should not write means like this. 4 2 by 3. If you write like this is wrong. And like that only see. This is also wrong. You should not write like this. Whole number. When you are writing the whole number, it should be exactly opposite of this bar. If you observe, I written this 4 exactly opposite of this 4. Take one more number, 7, 5 by 8. Okay, 7. How to write? 7, 5. See, bar, I am drawing this bar exactly opposite of this number. Otherwise, write this number exactly opposite of this bar. Okay, 7, 5 by 8. This is the correct way. How to read this fraction? 7, 5 by 8. How to read this fraction? 4, 2 by 3. What are these fractions? These are mixed fractions. Take one more, Nana. How to read this fraction? 1, 7 by 9. 1, 7 by 9. This is a mixed fraction. 1 is a whole number and 7 by 9 is a proper fraction. Understood what is a mixed fraction? Okay. Next. Like fractions. Like fractions. What are like fractions? In that name only there. Like means same. What is the meaning of like? Same. Like fractions. Like fractions. Like fractions means 2 or more fractions. 2 or more fractions have the same denominators. 2 or more fractions. If 2 or more fractions have the More fractions have the same denominators. Remember, same denominators. Two or more fractions have the same denominators are called like fractions. If two or more fractions have the same denominators are called like fractions. Like fractions means same denominators. Denominators should be same. For example, you take 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 9 by 5 and take 4 by 5. If you observe what are the denominators in these fractions, how to read 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 9 by 5, 4 by 5. If you observe what are the denominators, all these fractions are having same denominators. Here is 5, here is 5, here is 5 and here also 5. So, these fractions are called like fractions. Like fractions means same denominators. Next, unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Unlike means different. Unlike means different. Unlike means difference. Different means two or more fractions have different denominators. Two or more fractions. Two or more fractions have different denominators. Different denominators are called unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Same denominators like different denominators unlike. Take 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 9 and 7 by 8. Observe here. What are these? These are unlike fractions. Why? Because denominators are different. Here is 3, here is 5, here is 9 and here is 8. Different denominators. So, these fractions are called unlike fractions. Whose denominators are different? Unlike fractions. Now, you say children, here I am giving some fractions. You say, what are those fractions? How many types of fractions we have learned? Yes, we have learned proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction, mixed fraction, like fractions and unlike fractions. Children, what is this fraction? Good. This is proper fraction. Why? Because numerator is less than denominator and in the 7 parts it is easy to take 4 parts. So this is proper fraction. Good. Now what is this fraction? 9 by 5. What is this fraction? Good. This is improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater than denominator and it is not possible to take 9 parts from the 5 parts. It is impossible. It is an improper way. So, it is improper fraction. Good. Now, children, what is this fraction? What is this? It is unit fraction as well as, what is this fraction? Proper fraction also. Numerator is 1. So, unit fraction and numerator is less than denominator. So, proper fraction. Unit fraction as well as proper fraction. Good. Children, what is this fraction? Good. Mixed fraction. Whole number and a proper fraction. Mixed fraction. What are these fractions? Good. These are like fractions. Denominators are same. What are these fractions? Good. Unlike fractions. Why? Because denominators are different.